Alright, so we took off the old crush. You can see it's been crushed. Popped the new one on, cleaned it up. Ready to go in. Just waiting still. It's still going. So I think that's enough. We'll go ahead and pop this back on. Ugh. There we go. There we go. Okay. So there it is. Dirty. So there we got the brand new one. About to put this oil filter back on. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the right passenger side wheel front. That's the oil filter right there. So we're gonna go ahead and, I don't even want to be under it though, it's gonna drip on me. Slide a little bit to the, anyway, I don't think you guys will be able to see me do this, but I'm gonna take that off, that white one off, and put this one on. Alright guys, I don't know if you could see that, but we've just put the fresh one on. Just gonna hand tighten it nicely. And that's it. Clean it off. And there's the old one. Alright, so we're gonna put about 4 liters in here. 4.2. Not recommended to pour it from the side. Alright guys, so you can see, hopefully, anyway, it's right in the middle of those 2 dots. We've just been checking in, putting a little bit in, but roughly between 4 and 4.2 liters you put in. Okay, so now the oil change is done. We're just gonna close the hood, rev it up to about 2,000 RPM, 3,000 RPM. Check the oil one last time. If everything's okay, oil change has been done. Alright guys, so we revved it up to around 3,000 RPM. We checked the dipstick again, and we were actually pretty low. So I added in quite a bit more, and now we're right in the middle. So I'm not going to pull it out to show you guys, but trust me, it's right in the middle. So after everything flows through, you check it again, add a little bit more. Mr. SFM signing out, 2002 to 2006 Honda CRV basic oil change. Peace and love.